Hello student, today I will explain you chapter 9 direct proportion and inverse proportion. So first let me explain what is called direct proportion. Now if cost of 1 pen is rupees 5, so what will be cost of 2 pen? It will be rupees 10. So if we cost of 3 pen, you see what will be cost of 3 pen? Rupees 15. As the number of pen increases, the cost also increases. If the number of pen decreases, the cost will also decrease. So such type of thing is called as what? Direct proportion. So let me explain practice set 37. If 7 kg onions cost 140 rupees, how much we pay for 12 kg of onions? You know, cost of 7 kg of onion is rupees 140. So cost of 12 kg onions will be more than 140 only. So it is as the weight increases, the amount is also increasing. So it is a direct proportion. So we'll start the sum. Let the cost of 12 kg onions be rupees X. Now it is a direct proportion. We'll make two columns, weight and cost. Now 7 kg of onion, how much it is cost? 140. So 12 kg of onion, we don't know, we are going to take it as rupees X. Now 7 upon 12 is 140 upon X. Do cross multiply. 7 into X is 140 into 12. So X will be 140 into 12 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14, 0. So X will be 20 into 12. So X is 240. Therefore, cost of 12 kg of onions is rupees 240. Sum number 2. If 600 rupees buy 15 bunches of feed, how many 1280 rupees buy? Now, the cost of 15 bunches of feed is rupees 600. So, how much bunches of feed we are going to buy for 1280? Now, here 1280 rupees has increased. So, number of bunches of feed will also increase. So, it is a direct proportion. So, let X bunches of feed be bought for rupees 1280. Now as the amount has increased, the bunches will also increase. So it is a direct proportion. So we'll make two columns, bunches of feed and cost. Now 15 bunches of feed cost how much? Rupees 600. So how many bunches of feed you don't know? So X, that is how much rupees? 1280. So naturally the bunches of feed will increase. So 15 upon X is equal to 600 upon 1280. Let us cross multiply. 15 into 1280 equal to 600 into X. Therefore X equal to 15 into 1280 upon 600. 1010 cancel. 15 ones are 15 fours are 60. 4 ones are 4 threes are 2s are. So you get 32. So X equal to 32. Therefore 32 bunches of feed cost rupees 1280. Sum number 3. For 9 cows, 13 kg 500 grams of food supplement are required every day. In the same proportion, how much will be needed for 12 cows? Now for 9 cow it is 13 kg 500 grams. So for 12 kg it will be increasing. So it is a direct proportion. So first we will make it 13 kg 500 grams into a gram. Now 1 kg is how much? 1000 gram. So 13 kg will become how much? 13,000 gram. So 13 kg 500 gram will become 13,500 gram. So 13 kg 500 gram is how much? 13,500 gram. Now let 12 cows need X kg of food supplement. Now this is also a direct proportion. It is a direct proportion. Now we'll make two columns, that is cows and food supplement. Now 9 cows, how much food supplement? 13,500 grams. 12 cows, you don't know, that is X. Now here 9 upon 12 equal to 13,500 upon X. Cross multiply, 9 into X will become 13,500 into 12. So X will be 13,500 into 12 upon X upon 9. 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 1, so 5, 2, 0. Now X equal to 45 into 4 is 180, put 2 0, that many grams. That is X equal to 18 kg. So 12 cows need 18 kg of food supplement. Sum number 4. The cost of 12 quintals of soya bean is rupees 36,000. How much will 8 quintals cost? Now 12 quintals cost 36,000. So 8 quintals will cost obviously less than 36,000. So here as the weight decreases, the amount will also decrease. So it is a direct proportion. So we can write let cost of 8 quintals of soya bean be rupees X. It is a direct proportion. Make two columns, weight and cost. 12 quintals cost rupees 36,000. So 8 quintals, you don't know, you can write rupees X. Now 12 upon 8 is equal to 36,000 upon X. We'll do cross multiply. 12 into X is 36,000 into 8. So X will be 36,000 into 8 upon 12. 12 ones are 12, 3s are 36, put 30. So 3,000 into 8 is 24,000. Therefore, cost of 8 quintals of soya bean is rupees 24,000. Sum number 5. 2 mobiles cost rupees 16,000. How much money will be required to buy 13 such mobiles? Now, cost of 2 mobiles is 16,000. So, cost of 13 mobiles will be more. So, it is a direct proportion. So, let the cost of 13 mobiles be rupees X. It is a direct proportion. Make two columns, cost, mobile. So 16,000 is cost for 2 mobiles. So you don't know how much is the cost for 13 such mobiles. We'll take the ratio of this 2 upon 13. Do cross multiply. 16,000 into 13 is 2 into x. So x will be 16,000 into 13 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are 8,000. So 8 into 13 is 104 for 3 0. So it is 1,04,000. So cost of 13 mobile is rupees 1,04,000.